So if anybody's like me, I know your favorite thing to do right after you buy a new Wrangler is to fix it. Just kidding. But unfortunately, that's been the case with mine. I bought this Wrangler in February of 2018. It's just a four-door unlimited sport. It has had pretty much every problem that everybody's had so far. I've had the wind noise, I've had the steering problem, the drifting while steering due to overpressurized tires, everything like that. But one thing that has manifested itself recently is the clicking when I'm turning. I've got about 2,400 miles on it so far. I bought it in February of 2018, and just recently, driving with the doors off and the windows down, or the windows off, I've noticed that it clicks whenever I turn. So I got on the forums and I started reading about the problems people have had, and they said, well, my ball joints weren't tightened enough, weren't tightened to spec. So what I've done this morning is I've gone ahead and I've jacked it up and I've found the ball joints, and I've posted a picture of or a video of the clicking noise by duct taping my phone up in the fender well, so you can see or you can hear what the clicking noise is and what I'm referring to when I'm talking about it. But basically what I've done is I've jacked it up, and what you need to do is take the cotter pin out. I don't know if you can see the cotter pin, but take the cotter pin out of the ball joint, and then go ahead. I've got a 22-inch or a 22 millimeter wrench, and just go ahead and wrench those down really, pretty tightly. I was reading somewhere online, they were talking about the spec is like 33 pounds. When I pulled the cotter pins out and started tightening down these ball joints, it literally, you could probably have almost threaded it on hand tight, is how tight these things were. And as soon as I started tightening it, I heard that clicking noise again. So I'm pretty sure the ball joints is what's clicking. I just don't think they're tight enough. So it's something pretty simple. If your dealer's anything like mine, the last thing you want to do is take it to the dealer. So if you want to fix this ball joint clicking yourself, might not be a bad deal.